You want to create a digital store and start selling digital products. I am going to show you how to do just that using an all-in-one platform called System.io. System has a free forever plan and you can create your digital store completely free. So I'm going to show you how to do just that. So the first thing we want to do, I am on my System.io dashboard. So if you don't have a System account, go ahead and click the link in description and get your account today. All right. So once you are signed in, you want to go to website, scroll down to digital stores. On your right, you want to click on create. You want to give your store a name. So I'm going to name it Cynthia's store. Okay. I have created a digital store for my clients. I'm just using some of our information to show you how to create a digital store. Domain name, if you have your domain name connected to System.io, you go ahead and check that. Since this is my free plan and I do not have anything connected, I will leave it like that. Language, English. Once I'm done here, then I will click on save. Then it takes me to my store where I do all my customization. So before we do anything else, let's go ahead and click on edit header. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload an image right here. So we want to click on the pencil or pen, and you want to go ahead and upload a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now that I have my image uploaded, I want to change the display name. So I'm going to change it to the same name that I save it as, Cynthia's store. Now, if you have any social links, this is where you'll insert your social links. Then you can give a short bio right here. Once you have done that, you go ahead and save. Once it has been saved, on your right, you want to edit design. And System has a variety of templates here that you can choose from and make your own. So I am just going to go ahead and I'm just going to choose this one. Then right here, I can change the color scheme if I wish to. So I can click on it and I can copy and I can paste a color palette that I have. I can copy and paste the code right here. I'm going to do just that. Great. Then I'm going to change, so you can customize it and change it to whatever color you will like it to be. Once I have done that, I'm going to click apply theme. Then we want to add our product. So once you have done any customization, you're pleased with it, then you add your desired product. So I'm going to click add new product. Now you have three options. You have redirect users to an external link. If you want to collect emails, you can do that. If you want to sell a digital download, you can also do that. So in this case, I'm going to redirect my customers to an external link. So I'm going to click on that. Once I have clicked on that, then you want to right to the top here where it says select an image. You want to select your image. I am going to select a journal. So I am going to sell a digital journal, or it can be paperback. So my customer's link is coming from Amazon. So I'm going to click on thumbnail and I'm going to upload an image. Click upload and there it is. So you can customize, check it out here. You can customize that. Instead of the button saying click me, I can put buy now. So all the customization is on the left there. Then I'm going to get my link. So when they click on buy now, it's going to take them to, when I click buy now, it's going to take them to the product. So right here is where you want to copy, and wherever your link is, you want to paste your link right there. So I paste it right there. Once you're finished, then click on publish. If you click on save draft, it will save it, but your customers will not see the product there. You have to publish it first before your customers can even see anything. So I'm going to click on publish. Good. And my first product is there. Then you can go ahead and you can continue the same process. So let's have a view as to how our product, how our store will look on the web. So we click on view. And I have only added one product and this is it. So if I click on buy now, it is going to take me to my product so that I can purchase this journal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. I'll truly appreciate it. Until next time, see you on the next side.